Welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I am going to show you all how to make traditional Patholi or sweet stuffed rice rolls. Rinse the turmeric leaves. Wipe the moisture with a cloth or a paper napkin. Place them aside. Cut the turmeric leaves to fit into the steamer. In a bowl, mix freshly grated coconut, jaggery, cardamom powder and flattened rice. Mix well and keep it aside. Dab fingers into water to help spread rice paste. Spread the rice paste on the leaf. Cover the complete leaf, leaving the edges of the leaf. Add the sweet filling in the center of the leaf. Fold one edge of the leaf to the other to close it. Press it gently on the edges. You can fold the leaves vertically or horizontally. Bring 6 to 7 cups of water to rolling boil. Place a thin muslin cloth. Now place all the stuffed leaves on an idli steamer rack. Steam them for about 20 minutes. You will notice the color of the turmeric leaves has changed. When it's warm, gently remove the stuffed turmeric leaves from the idli steamer. Allow to cool and unwrap the leaves. Enjoy the Patolis warm or cold. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.